Liberty Walk, a brand that transcends multiple continents with its famous aggressive body kits. Inspired by Japanese car culture from the 80s and 90s, the brand has a huge following, including massive celebrity owners such as Justin Bieber, Chris Brown and Nicki Minaj. Today we have an exclusive look at a bright green Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador.
Today I have a huge smile on my face because this is the reason why I'm here back at Centurion. This is a Lamborghini Aventador Liberty Walk LP 704, and this thing is amazing. It looks a little bit different now. Fast Car Magazine, yes, Fast Car Magazine, back in 2018 did an article on this beast, and the origins are a dad walked into his son's bedroom. He was watching him play Xbox, Need for Speed, we've all been there, and he saw his son create a Liberty Walk green Aventador, and the dad goes, hang on a minute, that looks rather nice, I want one. Went online, voila, and it was made. The only problem I have with that is, don't play Xbox, PlayStation's the way forward. So let's talk about this thing. At the back, straight away, we can see this gorgeous FI exhaust. Now this thing spits out 5-foot flames, more than enough to burn your wee willy winky Scottish treats on. Very cool. And that'll set you back about £13,000 if you want one on your car. We've got this giant GT wing here, which is dry carbon, and I've measured this from the app on my phone, 1.77 meters. It counts, okay, you need to measure things up. We'll come around the side, we've got these 21-inch rims at the back, 3 SDM, 3-piece rims. Now the whole body kit, you've got the side skirts, you've got the front splitter, the bumper, the rear diffuser. It'll set you back about £34,000 from Liberty Walk. And then this is pretty cool. Come and have a look at this. We've got the details here, so you know, one, what gas you need to put in your car, and also here you'll notice, rather than the stock 690 bhp you get on an LP700, this has got 800 brake horsepower, tuned by our good friends at Motec Performance. Coming to the front, we've got these are 20-inch, again, 3 SDM, 3-piece rims, and a great fact is Liberty Walk had to shave the calipers back to fit them in by hand, not by their bare hands, but obviously with a tool. And that is just the extra level of detail with this car. These fenders are great. I love the kind of military-esque feel of the rivets, and they just go so well. It's just got that Liberty Walk and feel as soon as you look at the car. Let's talk about the paintwork. You might have seen this before, perhaps on a Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR. It's called Hell Green Magno. It's not a very cool name, I'd probably call it something else, but it's the exact same paint, not a wrap, paint in a satin finish. And this thing, you're thinking, oh yeah, probably 5 or 6 litres. No, no, no. They spared no expense. 11 litres of paint to fill this car. I love it, I think it's great. And all these things that you think are decals or vinyl stickers, they're not. These have all been airbrushed on. I used to do a bit of airbrushing myself. I know that this wizardry is hard, and the guys, Dave and Tim, who I'm yet to meet at Colourcraft, I don't think there is a better example than this car. Absolute wizards you are. Round the front, let's have a look at the front splitter here. All carbon, it looks really cool. Now I want to talk about the interior of the car, because this actually was a stock Lamborghini from Edinburgh that Liberty Walk sourced. So inside, it's been completely stripped back to a tub, and they've reworked all new material into this cabin. You've got Napa leather, you've got Alcantara, look at that roof, it's gorgeous, diamond quilted. And then these gorgeous accents of yellow throughout on the wheel, and inside it is just a little bit special, a little bit of a demon. Now before I forget, let's talk about the suspension, because look at this thing. I'm trying to finger it here and here. I can't get a finger in. It is sitting so low. Now originally it was on Airx suspension, and that was about 13.5k, and then it had an upgrade recently, and Airlift Performance have done it, which I don't have the details of how much that cost, but this is very cool. I want to show you this, and it's a little bit faded and not many people know about this. It's a little bit of a secret. Wataru Kato himself has signed the fuel cap here. Now it's a little bit faded, so I don't know if it's going to come out, but have a look at this. This is so special. Right, it's time to hear this Aventador Whoa, this exhaust is extreme. I want to see some flames. Okay, let's see some flames. Oh my gosh, let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Right, that has been our episode on the Liberty Walk Aventador. You've got to love the colour, haven't you? I want to talk about opinions. If you're a footballer out there and you have £365,000, this is the car for you. I've seen a few footballers in some Liberty Walks before, and I think it kind of fits that kind of mentality, that outlandish, flamboyant, peacock vibe, a little bit of me. I like the car, I like the car. I just don't have 365 big ones around, and I'd probably buy a house, but this is special. It's had a lot of care, a lot of effort have gone into this, and Liberty Walk, they are absolute geniuses. They are wizards at their craft. As always, if you enjoyed the video, throw me a like, get subbed, little comment down there, and I'll see you on the next one.